Hey guys, this is Jess with Solbee Home. Welcome back and welcome if you're new here. This is a plain wall panel that I am going to turn into a botanical French inspired piece. I started by doing a paint wash that was going to look like a stain and still show that wood grain. And it was easier just to go ahead and cover the entire piece. After painting with a thin coat and some water, I went ahead and wiped it back and then let it fully dry and moved on to adding a transfer. I'm using IOD's Saint Germain from the new summer release. These florals are gorgeous. The colors are stunning. My only complaint is I wish it did have some more butterflies. It only has two in this pack. And I am just cutting some out that I know will kind of fit together and go into the middle of my panel. I wanted to make sure that I had some variety with my color choices, and I also wanted to use a butterfly. And this is just the beauty of packs like this. They're very, very versatile. The combinations are endless. The way that I use it could be completely different than the way you use the same transfer. And I'm going to just kind of go for it. I didn't even really do a layout. I'm just going to add it as I see fit. And I'm burnishing them on with the stick that comes with the packet. And I'm going to be ending up with a beautiful formation that can be framed out with clay. And now I'm going to start building my clay frame around my beautiful transfers. I'm just starting with a mold and building as I go, like I typically do when I do clay work. I dusted my mold with cornstarch first, and I'm using DOS air dry clay for this. And after I have all of my clay casted, I'm going to be gluing them down with Titebond clear quick and thick glue. Now that I have everything glued down and I'm letting my clay dry, I want to go ahead and cover the sides of this panel with a thick gold cream paste. The cleanest way for me to do this is with my finger. If I used a tool, I was going to have a little more excess. And I decided to use this beautiful deep sea green color as my border color. And I'm going to apply it completely around all of the outside portions of the clay. And I picked this color because I thought it was very soothing, but it also coordinated very well with my transfers. So I gave my transfers a little sanding very lightly, and I'm going to seal the entire piece with clear wax, and then I will be applying a dark wax to antique it. And I wanted just a subtle amount of shimmer, so I'm using some celestial wax, applying it with my finger on my moldings only. And here she is. This piece could not be more me. It is moody, floral, vintage. It looks like it's out of a French cottage garden. I couldn't love the colors more. I hope you enjoyed me breathing some life into this plain panel. And please remember to like and subscribe.